The Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 are Samsung's next major foldable lineup, and they are expected to ship in the second half of the year. However, as usual, the internet is leaking information without warning, and this time, third-party accessories are stoking the flames of rumors. A new Leon X has given us a preview of a Galaxy Z Flip 7 cover case, and it essentially validates the long-running rumors. A bigger covered display might be the Razr style that Samsung is aiming for. The rumor claims that the phone's exterior screen might be 4.05 inches in size, making it far more usable without the need to flip it open. Samsung seems to be making design changes, maybe making the cover display bigger and taller, according to another leaked accessory, a screen protector for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. According to previous speculations, the inner display of the Z Fold 7 might grow to 8.2 inches, while the cover screen would expand to 6.5 inches with a width of 73 millimeters. One of the main criticisms about the previous model would be addressed if this were true, making the phone much more pleasant to use while folded. However, it seems like Samsung is adopting a more cautious approach with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, which is very disappointing. Despite our constant excitement for the newest foldables, keeping with 25W cable charging in 2025 seems like a huge waste of money. After all, these are high-end flagship gadgets that cost a lot, but they use the same charging rates as years before. Even several of Samsung's mid-range smartphones now offer quicker charging, so it's extremely frustrating. To put that in context, other smartphone makers have been making significant advancements in battery technology, with several flagship models boasting 65, 80, or even 100W charging rates. The Fold 7 and Flip 7 gadgets, which are advertised as cutting-edge innovations, are just stuck in the past. For those who are always on the go, certain gadgets can charge from 0% to 100% in less than 30 minutes, making them highly practical. In a world where speed and efficiency are more important than ever, why is Samsung lagging behind? Are they focusing on battery longevity, cutting costs, or simply being cautious? Either way, it's frustrating to watch them lag behind in a category where they should be leading. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.